All right, today we're gonna bring 2-week pill box. If you guys can see that, you got Sunday all the way back to Saturday on here, and they're different color coordinations on this one. Each individual box is well sealed, and it has a little containing silicone cover in here and actual seals, if you guys can see that. Each one could be removed from the actual base itself, and this is perfect for those that are taking vitamins or pills and forget which date of the day of the week they actually took it, or if they even took it this day. Now they do have see-through, so you can see if they're filled or need to be refilled. All right, well, the boxes, if you guys can see that, these boxes come off. So in case you need to skip one day of the week and you don't need the entire week, you can do that. Or just take this with you on the road. If it's that weekend that you're taking, you could take these two and have them individually for your travel. So very simple. They clip back in here in place. When you hit that snap in there, they're ready to go. You guys can see through. Hope you guys enjoy the video.